so high it can be found. We all look around for the times you left behind. Oh well, never mind, I'll take you there tomorrow. And I'm sorry if I seem to always bend my spleen. It's not the path I choose to follow. So hello, I hope you're still my friend. I think I'm on the mend. And you know I don't mean to offend. I wish we could fly. All I know